All right. Oh no. At least she's gonna. Oh fuck. That's not worrying.
I know 100 ways to kill you. You should have run when she gave you the chance.
Ow!
This is your end!
Something you wish to say, Doctor? No? Well, only that you have a remarkable faculty for deduction and pattern recognition. And that perhaps, if ill-applied, I see things that are not there.
Did Watson just flat out call Sherlock autistic?
Forgive me. Without something to occupy my mind, I turn into an entirely different animal. Which brings us back to my news from earlier. I think I have a case for you, a real one. Truly. Indeed.
Like, he just called him out on his hyperfixations. That's awesome.
A patient of mine, Captain Stenwick, told
Oh shit! Oh god damn it. I fall down into the water and I died. What do you call a moose that everybody knows? Moose. Or Gary. Guess that's only a face a mother could love. He's gotta just smell rank.
Aber warum hat König Otto dein schönes Gesicht vor der Welt versteckt? Egal. Zeit zum Fressen. Anna, Blicke!
Oh. All right. Oh. You must have tasted bad. You... Oh. Nope. No. Shit. No, 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 no. So I can make that here. Right? No, fuck. Chad, I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot. I can never remember how to fucking do shit. I make it here. Must be planted on a farm. Well, that's horse shit. There goes that fucking idea. I guess I can just do transport. Fine. This is fucking stupid. Suck it, bitch! Oh! Oh! That was... Oh, what the fuck?
What the shit was that then?
What kind of cult nonsense says this shit? I swear to God, this place is a cult. Pagan rituals. Listen, Christian parents. Don't worry about Harry Potter. This game. I'm kidding, but
No.
ah, fuck!
Car.
What's up, everybody? It's been a couple of days as far as days go. We are not going to play what we know. Welcome in, everybody. I'm the Todd Father 6. Hey, B. Live. Oh, next. There we go. That's a little bit better. I did not sleep well last night. I didn't. That's also one of the reasons I don't want to be diving into some heavy shit like we would with the Tomaturge. Specifically because holy fuck, is that a bad idea in my opinion. Just saying. How you doing, B? So we're gonna do I Am Future. I'm working on a new thumbnail for both this as well as the tips, tricks, and hints video series. Not wait to show everybody. I'm tired. I am very, very tired. I slept like shit last night. And I don't really know why. Because B and I were talking last night when I got home from work, and as B got home from work, I just had a lot of heavy shit in my mind. Nothing out of the ordinary if you know me. It's just a lot of the same stuff, just felt denser, if that makes sense. So I wanted to go to bed early, so that's what I did. I took my, my melatonin and went and visited the Hat Man because I don't owe him money. That fucker owes me money. And, well, I tossed and turned. Yeah, okay, I'm not the only one who had that. Like, yeah, like, it felt fucking fuzzy. Like, it feels inside my skull, but I imagine the outside of a fuzzy caterpillar feels. And I don't like it. But we are going to chill. We're gonna play some I Am Future and just fucking relax tonight. It's Sunday. Let's just chill and relax. We don't have a whole lot to really worry about. Your forehead most of the day? That sucks. Catch up game, god damn it. Ooh, I'm lagging. I can tell. There we go. Oh yes, profile 1. And here we go. But I do hope everybody is well out there. Let me know if the music's too loud. Today we are. It feels like an egg or a smooth rock sits in there. Okay, no, I get that. I get that. Or like there's an air pocket. I don't get that, personally. Like, that just doesn't happen to me. I, however, get the daily headaches because the brain is broken and damaged beyond repair. Which fucking sucks. But is also one of the reasons why I lose what I'm trying to say. Aphasia and anomia are bitches. Aphasia is where you lose track of the words that you're thinking of. You can think of them clearly in your cognitive thought process for the words as you're constructing the sentence, the sound of the word. You lose the word that you're going to, word or words or statement you're going to make, and you don't know what you're trying to say. I have the same thing both with language as with numbers. So anomia is the exact same thing with numbers. I work in a field that specifically works with numbers. It's not mathematics, but it's damn fucking close. So I've had to reteach myself how to talk, how to think, and how to properly calculate and maintain and hold what I'm calculating. And sometimes I still slip. Is that what is? There's also numerical dyslexia, which I thought I had, but no, it was anomia. I also have numerical dyslexia because my brain switched fucking numbers where they're supposed to be. Yeah, that's aphasia. It's common from head trauma. Okay. Okay. What am I carrying? What I'm carrying will help figure out what I'm doing. Okay. So yep, I lose my words a fuck ton. And that is a fucking hell of a problem. Okay, so those should be fine. But it seems janky. I don't like jank. We're gonna go ahead and close it and reopen the game. So yeah, losing your words, like I know my aphasia is directly related to physical trauma. There's a whole different list of things that can cause aphasia. I also developed a stutter for a while. But it could also be ADHD issues. I know aphasia can be linked to both ADHD as well as autism spectrum. If you've gone through any emotional, mental, or trauma, it will have an effect. Mine is obviously physical, and then mental. I have been 9 years. Definitely does not help. You know. A lot of people. Let's see if this worked, folks. Let's see if this. 5 times before you move on. Okay, that could be a spectral thing. Because people on the spectrum, especially with ADHD or certain aspects of the autism spectrum, will repeat the same stories, repeat the same things over and over again. Because it's either a comfort, it's a stim, it's something. So there's a probability that that's what that is. Okay, let's see if... Okay, that is much better. Okay, that is significant. Ochi dochi. Alright, couple of things. We are going to do here. So I can move you here, because I don't like you. There we go. That's better.
Let's have a drink.
Okay. Fine. Yeah, probably should. Oh, hey, Rack. Freaking, I'll reckless it. Thank you. I have food. I have cheese balls. Okay. What am I working on here? I need, okay, so one more of those. Okay, so ion synthesizer is one of the things I'm working on. I also want to check something out. Ooh, drone battery needs to be done. That I want to focus on. I don't remember what I just lost, but we're focusing on that. Because I said so, that's why. I did hydrate. I drank some water. Jesus. What the fuck you yelling at me for? Fucking jerks. How much time do I have left on that one? Oh, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Okay, got that. What was that? Son of a bitch. Yes. Stop yelling at me. Oh, you're being a jerk. Oh. Alright. Of a beach. Okay. We're going to There we go. There we go. Here she comes to wreck the day. We're gonna spend some time fucking organizing too. Damn it. That needs more fucking batteries. I need a bunch of plastic batteries. What I probably should do. Alright, you fucking bastard. You're in me fucking way. I don't like any of you. What the fuck? How the fuck were you not dead? Absolutely fucked implants. All right. A plant. Plant here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck! God damn it. I'm an idiot. Okay, so we will start. I need a brain feeling squishy. I don't fucking like it. Okay. That doesn't need to be in there. That doesn't need to be. That don't need to be either. That doesn't need to be. Okay. That can put the batteries and that here and turn that into current. Now, the only thing that will go in there is fucking things that are listed. Alright. This one needs to be switched to fucking current too. Oh. That's not. That's fucking old. Back off. A lot of shit that doesn't need to be. That's good. Okay, so I think I've got everything to build a repairer now in my possession. I have the power. Nice. So, we're gonna go to our minion. Where are you? So the engineer. We're gonna make you. You need to fucking take a nap. Look very lit tired. I need to create one just for fishing. I have a fishing one. I know I have a fishing one. But I need to create one for, like, there's so many things that I actually need to create. Oh, that'll work. Okay, so right here, I am going to build a small storage container. Could be fishing. Okay. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because that way they have one that they can just drop off all that shit in. No? Oh, dude's hungry. Fucking starving. Alright. Did I put anything in you? Okay. I don't know why the fuck I did that. You are kind of fucking wood. I need wood. Yep. I got wood! Oh, 8 in the morning. We're gonna kick up as much of this shit as we can. I need to bring coffee. That's... Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. Alright. I still have bread. I do. We're gonna make macaroni pudding. We're gonna make canapes. Just use all my fucking bread. And we're gonna roast. That way B doesn't fucking yell at me for not having enough fucking food. Because that's what she does. Because B is a big meanie head. There. This giant fucking so frustrating. Because like I've gone through and I've gotten in my efficiency run up to here. Fair. But I plastics. Do I have enough plastics anymore? No. But I know I have some piping. I thought I had some fucking piping. I'm gonna have to go make piping. Well, then stop yelling at me for my character not eating. That is not my fault. He obviously does not know how to make proper choices. Repair kits. Repair machine. Repair work. Then I need to relay some pipe, whichever you think is better. It is not entirely my fault that he forgets to eat. It's the game programmer's fault for making that a fucking mechanic. They should know. They should know by now. When you create games for the odd ADHD group, you may or may not struggle with tasks like remembering to eat. Stop lecturing. Okay, so we're gonna go to this, but we're gonna do continuous, which means it's just gonna keep running until it runs out of material, which is really horrible for the environment. But whoa, what just got built? What just got built? What'd you build? Who built what? What the fuck's going on? I heard a sound of something getting built. Will somebody please fucking explain to me what is going on? I moved a bunch of freaks. Okay, that's that. Okay. Cool. Going to put you here. No, I can't put you. But I can put you there. Okay.
Let's have a drink.
Ah, stop waterboarding me, you assholes. On time, about 30 minutes. Did you now just catch that, Wreck? It's nudes and almond milk. You have to milk an almond's teat and then mix it with nudes. Is what sweet or savory? I don't understand the question. Yeah, of course I did. Of course why would I read it? Oh. Only nerds read? Duh. Only nerds read, you fucking nerd. I better watch it because I will get in trouble with the mod squad. And that's how we end up not eating. Right. Sorry, I've got other things I'm trying to focus on. Buy some plastic. Into a horrifying savory jello concoction. You mean like grandma's jello? That's mayonnaise and carrots. That kind of Jello? Nope. You stroking off for breakfast? Sun. Beach. Oop. Looking for the large plastic. Let's see what they got at Auntie Agatha. Sometimes I can get that shit there. Why are we stroking off for breakfast? I don't understand. I'm just a boy. Fuck. Also, no. No, it would be Grinwald, who is closed today, but he's open to. For now, we're just gonna do. Read? No. I'm just a boy. There shouldn't be any expectation. I'm just a boy. Hey, Rack. What are you doing Friday the 4th? Hmm? Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, I need to pick because I know I can make fucking blood. Oh. I'm good. I was gonna say maybe Laura and I come over and we grill out, but Oche. Oh, he's gonna go get the repair guide. True, I just don't know when I'm gonna be taking Alora back to her mom's. because they always do 4th of July, and I don't want to have to fight traffic. And if they're planning on doing fireworks, I want to be able to get her there and be able to said firework. No? Since I know this isn't working on it, are going to put a fucking okay. I'm gonna move you here. You into the corner. Okay. This is gonna look backwards as fuck, but it's gonna make sense, I promise. Son of a whore! There, motherfucker. Right, so if you had the day off, I'd say Kiddo and I are gonna come up. But ooh. All right, so we got way more room for activities up here now, which is nice. I'm gonna throw you over here. I can have this continuous. Excuse me, because I'm gonna need some. All right. All right. Hey, look at that. We're getting shit done. Good job, Mathis. Go, yes, please. Go, take a rest, homie. Oh, and you're fucking on it. Hell yeah. Way to go, Lucia. Whatever that shit is, it satiates hunger very well. Okay, you want me to read it? I'll fucking read it. Macaroni pudding. Macaroni filling and delicious with minimal ingredients, just like at Grandma's. That's all it fucking says. It contains noodles and almond milk. Let me see. I don't even remember what task I had Leon working on. Oh, Leon's an engineer as well. So Leon is busy making sure plants and shit are getting put in, like, those things are getting built. But also now, because the engineer also has the repairer. Leon? There's Leon, see? You're envisioning tapping. Where are you? Locating construction resource. Okay, that's fine. That's great.
Let's have a drink.
Let's have a drink. Motherfuckers are waterboarding. Where to go? Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, because you called me a jerk. This is 100%. Why did I call you a jerk? When did I call you a jerk? I don't remember that. If I don't remember it, it doesn't count. Also, 15-minute warning. Okay. I need like 30. Sure, 50 will do. I think I had. Ah! Sorry! Uh-oh. Oh, nos! Los powers. Oh, nos! Oh, that's perfect, actually. There's that. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Okay, so just... I don't remember which one I was updating. Oh, Ashley. Okay. Sorry, I'm in your fucking way. This one? I mean, it doesn't matter which one. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is bullshit. That's actually an easier path to upgrade. That's fucking dumb. Okay. We're gonna get to the last thing. Why does the bottoms of the spinning thing on the tower look like alien faces? Anyway, here's Wonderwall. That is the cook, Todd. What do you want? Care if he has delicious food. I don't care. We're going to Grinwald's. In plastics. I don't know. I just now noticed that they look like alien faces. It's fucking freaking me out a little bit. Here. Oh, god damn it. Still doesn't have what I'm looking for. Let's see if Eisenhart has it. I mean, true. Fuck you, angry ATM. Have some. There goes all of my stuff. Raining. Yay. Is it raining over by you, Kev? Or Rec? And Rec, did you do anything for Sturgis today? This weekend? I know Duckerton days are coming up, and you know what I'm gonna do for that? Fucking nothing. I'm gonna be working and staying as far the fuck away from people as possible. You know what else is going on pretty soon? Ragbri. And people are in a little bit of a tivvy about it. Oh, they took those dickheads. Down my fucking mother. But people are in a bit of a tivvy about coffee. About Ragbri, because apparently it is dipping a little bit into the across the border to Minnesota, which a lot of people are kind of pissed off about. My mom being one. My response when she was complaining about it was, why the fuck does it matter? It's Minnesota. This shit don't matter, yo. What's supposed to be for Iowa? Yeah, and you know, I'm supposed to be 6 foot tall. I wish I was taller. I wish I was a baller. If I had a girlfriend, I'd call her. I am actually. I'm going to change the whole makeup of that entire area up there. That entire area up there is going to end up being for hedge maze and or probably hedge maze, and then I need to pick an area to make for garden. Oh, you. Very nice. Very nicely. Yes, very nicely indeed. You can go there. I know you don't have any fucking power right now. I'm working on it. Oh, I do have something. I have Guardian. Okay, that's what I was working on. I've been working on my fiber. Alright, so I need Huh? Huh? Oh, okay, brick's coming up. Look at that shit. Do I not have? Okay. Have any? Oh, okay. Well, what's that say? Son of a bitch. Yeah, go fix whatever the fuck needs fixing. Rubbing in a hat in a 64 Impala. I mean, I know why you want a 6'4 Impala. Mostly so you can say, cruising down the street in my 6'4. Right? Alright. Motherfuck, motherfuck, fuck. I do. Okay, that's good. Okay. Cool. I wish there was like a quick menu. It's set up for. Alright. Okay, so now to make this motherfucker, what else do I need? Oh, okay, so I need. Pretty sure I got 3 somewheres. Fuck! No. Son of a bitch. And then I have a false spot in the trunk loaded with weapons. I'm honestly surprised you don't have that fucking tattoo. I know so many people that have that fucking tattoo. I'm surprised you are not one of them. Where's the techie? Hey, son of a whore. Your might have. You don't have what I want, god damn it. Dan's got it. I know it's been considered. I'm just surprised you've never acted on it. Biscuit loving goddamn. Grimwald have one? For laser? No. Not. Just like Mediterranean wouldn't have one. Okay, so we're gonna look through. I'm looking for. Oh, Clara doesn't. The green microchips or anything I know that would. We'll get at least one there. It could either be that or your werewolf clan sigil. Go back. I doubt Eisenhart has what I'm looking for. You have an ad break coming in. I want to see if he has. Okay, he does not. Man, you got garbage. All right, let's check Stan's. If Stan has just any of the Matrix screens otherwise. Because sometimes I'll get lucky and there will be some there. I'm not. Nope. Cool. So that, I wouldn't say a waste of time because I was able to get one. I'm gonna need a lot fucking more, and I can pull them out of things, so I can use the smasher, like the hydro press, to pull shit out. But we are gonna go to break, everybody. We're gonna turn on some music just to get out and do words on stream. I need to step away, mostly because I need to pee, because somebody decided it was a great fucking idea to waterboard me. We're gonna do at least another hour, if not 2. We might wrap at 11. I know I typically try to do 4 hours, but not today, more than likely. So that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned, everybody, and we will be right back. Wrong button. There we go. Fucking shit up already. Jesus. That's fantastic. I hope it's nice and relaxing for you, Gobs. Okay. We are going to build a matrix. I don't want to do this, but I'm going to have to. Just so I can... Oh, I can't. Oh. What? Well, that sucks. Okay. Well, you are going to get power. You. For now. Fucking confused. The running joke with me and B is that B needs to have a notebook and keeping notes. The funny part is, that's pretty fucking factual, actually. Alright. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, that's the magistrate. Okay, that's the big one that I will need to do. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, so I know there's a small fucking trick that I can do. I'm not a huge fan of it. But, alright. I need to dump some stuff off into storage. Bitch. All right. God damn it. All right. Fuck. Okay. We're going to try to grab microchips from here. I have found some stuff that I am very much looking forward to trying. This is going to be a clam. This is going to be recyclable of some sort. Parts. There we go. There's one. I need like 6 of them. Not fucking half. I just fed him. solvent. Okay, that's useful. I just fed him, though. More scrap metal. Plastics are always good. I almost full-on punted dog today. When I got home from work. On the other side of the apartment unit, this lady has a Shih Tzu who thinks it's bigger than it fucking is and likes to run up on me. Dog's getting pretty fucking bold. And I swear to fuck, because I've been bitten by a dog here already once. I'm not going to be happy if it happens again. I got bit in the stomach the day I moved in. And I've got a wicked fucking scar from it. So if that little Shih Tzu does bite me, I don't give a fuck. I will kick it across the fucking park. If she takes it out, she doesn't have it on a fucking leash. More. Alright. So we're gonna drop off clams and we're gonna drop this off here. I'm gonna see. I don't. Alright, almond milk. I bet that's still tasty. I don't advocate for violence against animals, but if it's coming at me, aim fucking on. So now I should be able to build the 3 matrices, or the 2 matrices that I need. Okay, so there's that. There's the other one. There it is. Okay, so there's that. I need 2 more solvents. Don't have any, so the recipe for solvent. Cool. So there's 1. And 2. Okay, so I have the 3 solvents. Now I need to find where the plastics are, or the foam. Plastic. That's not in here. I know I've got 1. Okay, there we go. 4 of those. Split. Take 4. So plug you in there. Cool. So now I need... Well... Excuse me, a burping. Burping a burp. That and that. Oh. That needs to be upgraded. Oh. There. I need to see if I have any of the transistors elsewhere in another oh no, Ben bit me. I don't mind dogs. Ben did nip at me when I was leaving. That 100% happened. Don't be. I understand the environment from which Ben came from, and I don't hold it against him at all. And there's no reason to hold that against an animal, because it's for training and upkeep. I need 6 of them. I really don't like that. I don't have enough plastic. I'll be able to get 4 out of it. I am going to be able to upgrade the storage at least. Good. No, yeah, and that makes sense. Parvo does that. Again, having, especially Drax, knowing what I know, I don't hold that against me. I will never hold that against me. But he only dipped my hand a little bit. That's all. Like, it didn't draw blood. I just felt the teeth. It wasn't the husky downstairs that nipped me on my on my stomach. Got me real bad. Like, I didn't realize I was bleeding until after I went into the restroom and checked myself. That was a thing. We're gonna try this again. I'm gonna see if I can find something to buy. Yeah, no, I know. Again, that's why I don't hold it against Finn. I don't really hold it against the husky either. But because she did try to pull him back. Now, had anything happened to my child, had my child been coming out with me, there would have been a very, very significant and different reaction. had my child gotten bit, there would not be doggo downstairs. Oh, damn it, that's not where I wanted to go. I wanted to go to the... At least it's not burning battery to do. Oh, thank God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna buy some of these. We would just burn through all of that. Let's see what Oscar's furniture and appliances has. Because I've got like 19,000 tickets. Did I buy the hedges? I did buy the hedges. Okay, cool. So, what other accoutrement do I want? I think disco lights. Yeah, disco lights will be good. And we'll just buy everything till we run out. Oh, look at that. I bought everything. And I still have tickets. Those were all blueprints, by the way. Here. All. Living picture gallery. Wow. And take. If there's anything else that can. Wood. Let's see. Is that a 1? Yeah, we're gonna grab the plexi and then that'll be it for this round. Wonder how much Cyberpunk 2077 is. Not that I've got the money to fucking spend on it. Alright, and back to home. Tomorrow night, stream will be from 9 until midnight, 3 hours. We are going to do Dying Light 2. Tuesday night, we're either going to do Thaumaturge or I Am Future. Thaumaturge last week ended in a situation where I was in the middle of a fight. I need to see if one of the previous saves, if there's a previous save just close enough to me getting into that fight, that I don't have to backtrack through a lot of the story. If there is, that's where we'll start off when we start the Tommy. Knowing my luck, because if I didn't have bad luck, I'd have no luck. That's not going to be doable. I don't have any. Red paint. I thought, something, and I want to paint it red. So I've been watching, Cody Rhodes has a podcast called So You Want to Talk About It. So what do you want to talk about? Which is all... Can I paint you red? Oh, I can paint you red. Oh, that looks good. Barnyard red, y'all. Anyways, okay, there's that. So now I can upgrade that one. What was I saying? Oh, Cody Rhodes has had a podcast. It's sponsored by Wheatley American Vodka, which is one of his corporate sponsors. Okay, so that gives me a 4th plug. Cool. Yeah. That is wonderful. Okay, now I need to make 2 of the orb thingies. I don't think I have any in here. So, to make the orbs that's here, each orb requires 4. So I need to find all of my batteries. There's 2. Many 4 of them. Okay. Okay, cool. So take that. So I need 6 more batteries. Fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 total. Okay, cool. There I had boom elsewhere. Let's go check a couple. Go check a couple of them. Not workbench. Alright. That ran out. So, okay. So, let me see. I literally just need one, for now, we're gonna go ahead and make the 1. That fixes the that improves the ion synthesizer, which means I can then tear apart metal. And I've got 2 robots that don't have anything to do, but I don't... I want to focus on shit up here first before I do anything with them. Oh, fuck you, plant, you fucking dickhead. Oh, there's stuff down there, though. What am I doing on carry? Cool. There's stuff down there. We're gonna go check out down there. Got a bunch of stuff down here today. This is great. Books. Thank you. I think that's all of it today down. So the most recent episode of that podcast was Kevin Owens talking about his injury. He is out for the foreseeable, thanks to neck surgery. That they're 100% unsure what else is completely fucking wrong. They've got no idea. So what they're doing is they're taking their time. They're letting his spine heal, because it appears that his spine is healing very well. And that will help determine how much, like if it's going to be a standard fusion or if it's going to have to be something else as far as his neck goes. Which unfortunately means we're probably looking at a prognosis of like 7 months before he could even consider getting back in the ring. Like there's no way he would be able to get back into the ring. I would say honestly probably before 20. I hate to say it, but my gut's telling me he's not going to be back in the ring before 2027, honestly. And a lot of that is just the sheer amount of damage that he's probably done to that over the course of the last 20 some years. I mean, the guy's been in the industry for almost 30 years. So it would make sense that he would have a lot of trauma from doing the job. Because, I mean, right. But what I find amazing is that someone like him is very, I wouldn't say like open being a bad thing. I would say he is very optimistic when it comes to what is possibly going to happen. I don't see it ending his career like we've seen in the past with other pro wrestlers. But I do see some potentially slight issues dealing with his health. And it's got nothing to do with the type of athlete he is. It's got everything to do with this is a big milestone to overcome as an athlete of his caliber. Because if you're not familiar with him, Kevin Owens is a hell of a fucking athlete. Like, he exceeds expectation in regards to what he can do and his ability in the ring, just for a guy who is like, he's shaped like me. He's very much shaped like me, and he is my age. So for somebody who is shaped like me and my age, able to do the things that he can do in a ring is, in my opinion, fucking insane. But more power to him, because goddamn. One more. One more match. And reactor. Now I have everything. Yes, I have everything. We're going to go. Oh. Well, that makes some sense. Okay, that makes way more sense. Huh. Okay, cool. Okay. I fed him. Thank you. So I need 5 of.
Let's have a drink.
I don't want to drink. Okay, drink. Let's have a drink. There, I had my drink. There. I'm a brat. I'm not stupid. I need 2. One more. Honestly, the easiest way to do this is going to be cutting. so there's the 5 for that. Need to go up because I need to see how much of board I had. Cardboard looking. Where the fuck I put it all? Might as well take that to Earl and she's fucking done with it. 3. Wolfram is 3, so I need 4 more, and so I need to switch you. Wolfram. What you should do is just find one that's got all steel in it. Hey. Make it so switch taking 3 Clacken. So I have an idea. It might be a bad idea, but I have an idea. If I have any that are full. I don't think I do over here. Look. Okay, so we're going to get this teleporter done. And then we are going to figure out what other upgrades we need to hammer out for the minion robot. So that I can get them in a better place in regards to functionality and whatnot. And then I need to also start planning out potential farming layout. I have to use the press. I'm not going to have a choice. I'm going to have to use the press. I know I don't have enough. Look, they're fishing. Not the main fishing one, the secondary fishing one. Where is it? There it is. Jesus fucking Christ. I feel like a god. No! Fuck off! There. Jesus. Criminy. I do have one more area I can check. I don't have any steel there. I took all that stuff. Check down. What do I have? I got 5. Okay, so I'll take 5 for now. In. I only need to make 4. I need 16, and I think I have 2 here. 3. So no, I only needed to make 4. I have 4 right now. I need 7, so I need 3. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 3, so I only need to make 9. Now, there's 7. I need a total of 12, so I need to do 5. Okay. Two, 3. Got an ad coming up in 2 minutes. I'm gonna get this finished. 4. Okay, cool. So we have 7 Wolfram and the 7 Tech Woods. Find the other fucking 3 Wolfram at. There they are. And this. I need 4 batteries, so I need okay, not enough plastic. Battery. One, 2. Up. Okay, we will figure this out when we come back from our break.
I'm everywhere. 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 I'm everywhere.
to play a little bit longer, and then we are going to probably call it 2. Okay, so I need 3 more. I don't have enough plastic, so I need more plastic. So we are going to go through and grab any ink and corrosive slime we can find, so we can make plastic. Biggest issue is the lack of ink. So I think I'm going to turn that area down there, right there, that you can see. That is going to be the farm. One, I don't have to worry about bugs down there getting to it. Okay. What are my plastics recipes? Burn through all the ink pigments. Would use I have a couple ideas. They're not great ideas, but I have a couple ideas. I'm gonna turn that into biomass. 40, so I'm gonna get 20 units of biomass out of that. I can then... We're just gonna burn through all of it. For every 3 units of biomass, I'll be able to get more plastics. 26. I'm gonna what was that? 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, 41, 44. I need to hit something divisible by 3, which would be 45, which I'll be able to do by just taking a single of biomass from then turn it off there. We will go through and get 15 units of biomass, or 15 more units of plastic, which will give us 26 total in that. That's a good idea. So then that will give me 26 units total. Yeah, so then I won't have, so I'll have to go through and I need to make paneling, which is fine. That'll be one of the next processes. But that entire area will be part of the farm, which will then allow me to not have to worry about any of the bugs getting to it. And I'll move all of the planters down there, and I'll have them all set up on sprinklers. And then I'll have the minion down there be focused on watering and maintaining the plants down there. That'll be the big thing for them. So that once we get everything built up, I'll still have some other stuff down there, but fuck you, plants. Like I'll have the how did you just throw that there? Rude asses. But so I'll be able to set up all my planters there. And I'll have a bot there to take care of the watering needs for it, which will be really, really nice. I'm gonna move this shrubbery. It's annoying me. Shit. Okay. Then I'll move, like, I'll have, since I already have the one down there that is linked to everything else, I'll have access to all my seeds. So that is not going to be a problem. I can bury seeds. Find it. Oh, over here. All right. Oh. E. Yeah, I'll run auto sprinklers through all of that. As well as have a robot there to just fill the sprinkler. Like that'll be the fucking plan right now. More of those? Well, while we're waiting, we're gonna take a look at some of this. So the drone battery and the minion batteries, I think, are necessary. The Dione allows sprinklers to cover a wider area. So, that's an upgrade that I need to get. And then Aquatic Genius teaches a minion the finer points of gardening and water maintenance. It will never forget to fill your sprinklers. So that will be the one that we need to get for farming. Otherwise, we have everything else. So we will go through and knock these out, I think, next. That will be the plan. Focusing first on probably the minion battery and the drone battery. But I want to get the teleporter done over to by the gym equipment so I can teleport backwards and forwards a little bit quicker. That is the primary right now. I think I'm done with all of these. I don't have any more goals. Win games, complete daily tasks, and contamination pods. Increase relationship. All gardening category, upgrade structures. Build something from the core. And I think that area where the mini golf course was, I'm gonna use for a hedge maze, kind of. That's also an area that I want to do a little bit more exploration with. And then I'll probably end up moving like this. I already have an upgraded workstation down there, but the bigger equipment down there that I need to that final area that we unlock down below. Like those will be all things that I want to goal-wise get done. I do need to make some food. We're at 28 energy right now, so we are going to at that. I do need like this whole area, like this, like I'm gonna be moving them. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Let me see here. Let's get to pantry. Or Julie. We're gonna make an energy bar because I know I can make that. All right. Probably fish steak. Yeah, and roasted mushrooms. Do a macaron pudding. Yay, pudding! Cool. Since I know we're hungry, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat that because that will that back up. One thing I do wish that they had for the minions as far as upgrades go would be the ability to scavenge, i.e. go through and perfect. Go through and make grab the plants and what they need as opposed to just chilling, you know? Like, go ahead and start pulling stuff from the wild plants. 1, 2. All right. We're gonna go get this one. So now we will have the ability to teleport elsewhere. Oh, fuck. Heroes? Fuck. Ooh, I wonder, that's probably noodles and pizza sauce. And that looks like... So, we can teleport. So we are currently at Earl's Portal. Gates of Cosmopolis, which is down here. So, the plan would be... I'm going to move... Honestly, I could possibly set this up as a garden as well. But... I kind of like the idea of the other location as a garden instead. Personally. I don't know. What do you think, B? You think this area would be a better serve it as a garden? Or... Or do you think... this space would be better served as a garden? For the farm. Looking for suggestions, everyone. Yeah, no, that's what I was thinking too. I have everything set up for one minion. To be taken care of. I can move a lot of this stuff. What are you looking for? What do I have you set as? Collector. Okay, cool. Builder. What do I all need down here? But yeah, so like once I get the paneling done down here, I can have setups of just rows of planters going across, and I'll move. I would obviously move these, and then have upgraded power sources here. The only issue is complete water access, whereas the other one has, I would have the ability to have water access. So this one doesn't have a water pump. That's the only real issue I'm seeing. where I do have a water pump here. So I could set up a water pump here, and then I can put over, like, I can move everything that I would need to move for a minion, and then build something new and build a minion down here, and then run this whole area down here for the garden and still not have to worry about the bugs. I'm thinking this area would work best only because of the water access. That's where my head's at with it. So, because we have the water access, I just have to repair it. You know? And then up, like, cause like up here, I can have the water access up here. I fill this in and I'll put the minion jacuzzi up here in this corner where they can easily access it from here with a power supply for that. And then I just run both a biogenerator, but I'm only going to have one minion down here. But then I would have a biogenerator and a solar power running into probably a battery array that would run through a bunch of 4-point posts. I could run 2 of them and have one run as a engineer and one run as a farming hand. That's actually a really good idea. But run along the outside and have the power lines run along the outside with the 4 posts so they can go off to different areas and have access, so power access. That's my thinking. Up here, I have no idea what the fuck I'm gonna do up here. Because I was initially thinking this would be a good area for a garden. But I honestly don't know. I really don't know. Because I'll probably replace all this with disco tile. Honestly. No, we're not, because I've got a bunch. I want to get. I'm gonna go grab a goal quick. See, because like here I have an electric water that runs. It's, I think, all the way upgraded. It is, I believe. Yes. So it runs electricity and pulls fresh water. So I want to do the same thing to the one down there. Well, I need to get that upgrade for the minions first, so that I can have them all set up. So we need to have, just go ahead and, so 30 minion battery, drone super battery, Dione, and minion aquatic genius. Those are all necessary. Specifically Dione and aquatic genius. Those are all necessary parts that I need to be able to, that I need in order to properly run a farm, in my opinion. I'm thinking if I'm not going to have that bottom area, that first bottom area converted, what I'll probably do is turn that into a crypto farm. I'll just run a bunch of solar panels. Or what? I'll just run enough solar panels to pull power, and I'll just build a bunch of crypto arrays for down there. Let me see here. What do we all need? Those. Take. Ooh, batteries. I don't like that that's fucking 4, though. That's why I want to get the drone super battery done. 4 of the 6 I would need for that. See what Clara's gift shop has. I'm so glad going between the stores is 0. What's smart? I'm sorry, I'm confused. I forgot what I said. No. I need to go to Anti-Egg at this. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2. Yeah, so that way it's generating a bunch. Because obviously I've been needing to buy some of the materials that I need. Just go here and grab that and then go home, I think. That's all of battery power that I've got. Let's see what Takashiro has today. Because then I'll move all the crypto generators down to 1 level. Ooh, I do not have a lot of coinage. That would have been really nice. That's 50. I get 3 of those. 20. I can get 6 of those. Oh, that's 90. Fuck me. I do have a bunch of that coming through. So we're just gonna buy some of those. So we're gonna go home. So, like, if I run cryptos, and what I was thinking was going, like, I think I could fit 4 up, have a space to walk through. 4 up, all linked, 4 down with a space, 4 up, 4 down. So that'd be 16 crypto farms that I can hit for probably a minimum of 200 each, which will help build my bank where I can buy the things that I need. That makes sense? If I'm not making sense, please someone tell me. Okay. Because, like, even if I get 12 in there, at 200 each, it's 2,400 as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned, which is fantastic. All right, so all right, drone superior battery is going to be achieved. Done. Fantastic. The drone battery will be almost double what it needs. I can probably get sturdy motion. Well, because I think I only need. I have some. Where do I? I have enough for the Dione. I'm looking for... I thought I put them in a box. I may not have. Oh, I did. Fuck yeah. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So there's sturdy men. There's the Minions battery upgrade. Okay, those are done. We can get the Dione done too. I don't know why I did that. We'll just pull here. We're gonna go ahead and get the Dione done as well. 3 of the 4 are done. Okay. Here's the problem. I should be able. Okay. I need 6 foams, 8. That is... So, all 3 of the things for the Minion Aquatic Genius require plastic. Copper wiring is plastic and scrap metal. The foam is straight plastic. The sphere, the one sphere, requires 4 batteries. 4 batteries need 2 foam. Each foam is 2 plastics. So for that, just for that, I would need, so each foam is 2 plastics. I need 6. That's 12 plus another 8 for 20 plus another 16. I need 36 plastics to complete this thing on the list. Which I know sounds scary and intimidating and crazy, but it does make sense. It is a higher end project. It is a full upgrade for our minions. So it does make sense that we would need to put in a little bit more effort. I'll just a little more effort in making sure that they are set up properly. So I do get that, and I'm not mad about it. We do have a little bit of time. Once I dump off there, perfect. We are going to work on some recipe ideas. And then I think we're gonna wrap. But also, so like moving all of these to down to that area will give me the opportunity to. Okay, I do have sauce. Jeff's hat. Where are my nudes? I need my nudes. My nudes. Okay, so far so good. Nope. Beans? Nope. Tentacles? Nope. Nope. Hot sauce? Spicy pepper? Oh. Where the fuck if the secret ingredient is fat? I'm gonna be pissed. It's gonna be... Fuck! Okay. I'm trying to... I was trying to figure out how to make the noodles and sauce. But we have made significant progress tonight, folks. The chaos is starting to be quelled a little bit, which is really fucking. Still have some shit we need to figure out. That's perfectly fine. Once we get our shit figured out, then we will be able to move forward and start setting up some of the things that I really want to set up. So I still don't know what to do with the grassy area down here either. This area. Like, I legitimately have no idea what we're gonna do with that. But we'll figure something out. We always do. But I do believe that is going to be it for tonight. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me. What's the guy there? Sure. Les frustrating. Bomb there. Nice. Yeah, I think we have a decent plan moving forward. Something just got built. I don't know what, but something just got built. And dance. Okay. Awesome. I need to eat. All right. I'll show you a magical card, then the magic starts. A series of maneuvers. The cards will be change places when the card stops. Just okay, cool. Right there. And pickle chop. 5%. Oh. Nice. Cool. So now we can go in. Let's see where our friendship levels are at. With everybody. Best friend, close friend. Nice. Close friend, close friend. Okay, cool. So we're doing really, really well with all of them. I do have some gifts that I can give them. I also have some tasks that I need to complete for them, which is fine. Leon's still in his basics, and that's fine. That's fine. Leon has had a tough couple of fucking being stuck in that. charging. What else? Oh, frick. I don't have a step redone yet. And there's a third step for that. Was created to charge an entire district power with. Okay, so I won't need to. I will have a bunch. What is the fuck is this? Okay. I didn't know about that. This might be one of the most useless things. Okay, this might be one of the most useless items that I can build. I got this in my efficiency run because I thought I didn't read the description because it's me. I don't fucking read things, as B pointed out earlier in stream. But I thought this was going to be for additional fridge storage for food. No, it's a fucking water filter. I think I've got I do have everything for that. Okay. I'm missing chess pieces. I'm only missing 2 things from artifacts. Huh. And I've got almost everything discovered in here. Okay, that I just need to make, and those are colors that I just need to fucking make. I have the fucking blueprints. The foods are the... Okay, so getting all of the foods is going to be the tricky part. I have gotten all the fish, I have all the bait, I think I have all the plants, I do have all this. Awesome. The shit. Why? There is no. I need to find a few more of those pump mechanisms because I cannot for pump mechanisms. I cannot generate those. I can only buy them, which makes 0 goddamn sense. I should be able to create them. But they say no, Todd. No. You can fuck off. Those. I almost wish. I wonder if there's some sort of end game or something that I'm missing, but that is gonna be it for tonight. That was fucking nice, relaxing, somewhat chaotic. A little bit better than it normally is. That's for fuck. We got a couple of us here. Yeah, we do have a few of us here. We are gonna raid out, I think. I'm gonna sneak that though. I know Jimmy's on. Let's see if anybody's playing I Am Future. The over under about that is pretty fucking. Because I think I might be one of the only people who fucking plays this game. Or at least that plays it on Twitch. I know I'm probably the only person that plays it on fucking YouTube. All right. Search and filter. Search by category. Nope, I'm the only one. We're gonna go to following then. Let me see here. Uni is doing Umamu Sumi Pretty Derby? Don't, not no fucking name. Sayama is on Scarlet and Violet, and Jimmy is doing Dune Awakening. I'm gonna write out to Jimmy. Way. We're gonna write out to our friend Jimmy the Rabbit. Jimmy is an amazing streamer. I met him when I started doing can't remember the game because it's all tied. Oh, the park. When I did the park, which was tied into a game series that he played. Rated out to me. Oh. Jimmy's dope as shit. We've rated him a couple of times. Show him some love. I will see everybody tomorrow night at 9 p.m. at US Central. And we're gonna get back into Dying Light 2 and smash some zombies. Good, be kind, be safe, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. The only way we're gonna make it through the craziness of this world is by taking care of ourselves and those we care about the most. I'm the Todd Father 6. This is my time for today. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Love you faces. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. Bye, everybody.